You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody safe. I hope everybody I wash them on. Yo, January star. So, the topic me I gonna talk about today, it actually affect me direct, people. When me say direct, me mean this happened to my mother right now. And not only my mother, but couple aunts and couple friends as well. So, it impact me direct. And we all know, say, right now, at the big C time. Me not really want to call a name on the social media right now because YouTube kind of move away. But you know what we are talking about. The big virus we are going around. And it affect everybody in the world. In a different ways actually. So how it affect me is that my mother work on a cruise ship. Alright? My mother work on a cruise ship. And right now she's stuck on a cruise ship, can't move. As I say, my mother, couple auntie, and couple friends. Them stuck out there, out in a big like ocean. Now I have nowhere to go. Alright? So we are gonna talk about that after this.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
So people, we all know right now, the Jamaican border, it's seal off. You see me? Nothing in except come out. But it's not really a joking matter still. The people on the cruise ship right now, a lot of hundreds of Jamaicans work on a cruise ship where them actually stuck. Them not have nowhere to move. Them stuck. Alright? So the same time when the most honorable bro God Andrew Holness decided to close off the border, that was actually the time that their company or the big organization, a cruise ship, I don't remember what them name, but at them time they them pull off all of the cruise ship them from the waters and decide to send home some of the crew member them, or send home the crew member them. So by the time ticket for get and everything for go on and rare for go on, most of them did still stuck on the ship because them could get for come off. And then it all depends on where the ship got disembarked because some of the country them never did take them and so. Me I explain everything to you, so me I do a full video. Big up to Barbados. Big up to Barbados. We and Jamaica normally see eye to eye, but Barbados was the only country in the Caribbean where I make the cruise ship them dock and I make the crew member them transit through Barbados. You see me? Not even Miami. Nah, do that something there. You see me? So big up to Barbados. A matter of fact, the last cruise that my mom was on where the passengers would disembark, they said the guests them now, them go what that place name? Puerto Rico. And the governor of Puerto Rico or the government or whatever, them say, not even one person are going to disembark from off there, including Americans. So at that time, they have to sail all the way to Miami to get off the crew member. So right now, they have to see, them can't stay at Miami. Right? Them can't really stay at Miami, so they have to sail all the way back to Barbados. By the time they reach back at Barbados, we come off and take a plane for forward back at Jamaica, everything seal off. And we know why the Jamaican government seal it off. I am in agreement with the sealing off of the border. But I feel like say them can do some waiver or them can do something. Because pre this now. You see the people them where they on the cruise ship, them not live a foreign. Them not live on a cruise ship. This is not like somebody will live in England, but them a take a trip come to Jamaica and them all a dual citizenship. Them people here, them only have one citizenship, and that is in Jamaica. So when the Jamaican government are gonna say, yo, them not take them back in, it's like them only left them stuck on the ship, right? And when the people them on the ship now and them a see everybody a leave, right? They want to see all of the different nationality them, the Filipino them, the Mexican them, the this them, the that them. Everybody are left. But the Jamaican them stuck on the ship. And me have to big up Barbados again because Barbados allow them to at some point allow them for the passenger them for disembark a Barbados style. You see me? And we have to say big up to that. Now pre this, there was a ship that came to Jamaica to refuel. That was on Thursday. and the Jamaican government wouldn't let the Jamaicans who dep on the ship disembark. And there was like, what the article say? Approximately 45 Jamaicans was on that ship. So imagine say you want to reach a yard long time, you know. But the ship them reach your yard, reach a Jamaica. But yet still, you can't come off of the ship because the government has say, yo, Ray and Ray. And as I said in the beginning, I agree to some point with the government. Because we can't have just people just walk in our country like that. But you know, if you understand them people here, they don't hold a dual citizenship, right? Them have one citizenship, and that is Jamaica. Now, when you are going to refuse them out of Jamaica, where you left them for go? Where you left them for go, bro, God? So, more you fix up that something there, try address that something there. If I even round up the whole of them one place and then send a plane for them and then we fall back to Jamaica, put them in a quarantine, you see me? And me know say the people them pan there, them responsible, them are go there in a quarantine. You see me? Them and like say yo, me a pick and I say yo, them people I can't come, but them people enough to come or whatever. And I not like that. But you have to just look on it. You have to look at logics. If Barbados could at one point allow other nationals to transit through them country, you see me? It kind of look away. If you know say the ship forward at Jamaica, but yet still them have to cut. And the point is arguable. And me know say you have to have people in the comment section and say, Chaddy, because of your mother and because of your family. Yeah, because of my mother and because of my family. But because our right too. Because as what I say, them don't have a next nationality. They don't have another place that them call home. Them people here happen for them on the ship because them are work and I try make better for themselves and I try bring back the money in a Jamaica to spend back the money in a Jamaica. You see me? So, bro God, may I beg you, fix up that something. May I beg you, fix up that something, please. May I go play a voice note from one of the crew member that was on that ship we could leave, and then we just call it a day. So play the voice note. Yeah.
I feel torn. I feel disappointed. Because I think that most of us would not mind if the government had accepted us and put us in quarantine. We would not mind, because at the end of the day, we would be Jamaican, we would be on Jamaican soil, and that is what really mattered to us.
Yeah, you hear it in them voice, in the person voice. Everybody would have feel away. You see me? We want them come home. And to the people them we are go in the comment section right now, I say yo, Chaddy, make them stay out there because them are go forward in the country and them are go do them are go come with COVID and rare. I understand, you know, but just put yourself in a freedom position. If it's just stuck at sea, you can't move, you can't 7 nor 11, you're just stuck. You see me? And you watch everybody come off of the ship. I got them respectful country, but you're just stuck. You can't move. You see me? And me feel say at one point, like the captain on the ship them, me don't know what them are going to do with them, because the ship them actually want park and stop and just build back and stay, so, you know. Because even the ship that my mom works on, they were going to each little island. So them a pass 80 over there. So them say, well, one stop over 80. We let off the crew member them at 80. Alright, send them home. Them a pass over the part there. Them send them home. And that's very good. That's very good. You see me? But it's just the Jamaican them like the bro God, yo, him a work. Me not tell a lie. And him a hold him own. But bro God, please, we a beg you. Fix up that something there. Fix up that something there. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. And as well, I say people, we know, and not everybody are gonna agree with me, but make we have a decent conversation. You see me? So it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. I one way, and any other way, the wrong way.
I feel torn. I feel disappointed, because I think that most of us would not mind if the government had accepted us and put us in quarantine. we would not mind, because at the end of the day, we would be in Jamaican, we would be on Jamaican soil, and that is what really mattered to us.